Guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off tutorials notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of this and click on it. Then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take us to this list. And all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on permissions here. So then it's going to take us to this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take us to this list here. Then you click here on tutorials. Then you click in this sign or this color. Then like you see now color, it's gone here. That's mean tutorials turn off with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.